Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa Friedman with Ergonomic Connection. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year, and I have some exciting news for 2019 that are going to affect you and your ergonomics program. So first thing is, what sets us apart from a furniture dealer or an office supply company is that we are only specializing in ergonomic products. So we are in direct communication with you and your safety officer or your ergonomist to get you the right products that you're ordering for your employee. We don't sell reams of paper, and we don't sell cubicle settings. So we want to get your employee back to work as fast as possible. And to do that, it really matters upon fast delivery. So we warehouse items, and in 2019, we're actually getting larger warehouses to supply you with the items that you order regularly. So if there's a human scale keyboard tray or WorkRite or Ergotron items that you order on a regular basis, you can now get them within a couple days because we're going to store and stock your items. Also, what sets us apart is we're not really a catalog. You can go online, you can see the variety of items we carry, but how we work is you actually deal with us directly. We are people, and we want to deal with you as people. So you can send us your reports if you did an ergonomic evaluation or a workers' comp evaluation. You can actually send us the report, and we'll create an estimate of all the products recommended, from footrest to sit-to-stand desk to chairs to wrist rest. Whatever is on your report, we will sell apples to apples. And if we have any questions, we'll make sure we get in contact with you, because we want to order what you're recommending. We don't want to upsell any items. We want to get the right product for you and your employees. And then we also offer installation and instruction. So I do not have maintenance guys going into the office and installing a keyboard tray. These are actually orthopedic technicians. They're going to teach the employees how to use the product properly. So please take advantage of our installation. And we are now expanding to doing installations nationally. We have a lot of clients that are using us nationally now, and we'd like to help assist you with that. We also ship nationally. So 2019 is a big year. We're also moving our offices, so please stay tuned for that new address information we'll provide to you. Have a great new year, and look forward to working with you.